federal government don reward the Tigress, wey be the Naija female basketball team, with national honour wey dem dey call Order of Naija (OON), as each player still collect $100,000 plus one flat. Members of the technical team, wey Coach Rena and Makama-led dey lead, still receive $50,000 each. Dem announce am when President Bola Tinubu host the team on Monday evening after the team don win Afro Basketball Women Championship 5 times straight. The Presido dey represented by im wife, Senator Remi Tinubu, and Vice Presido Kashim Shettima.
You are role models. You are pathfinders. You are true daughters of the land. It is my singular honor and pleasure and privilege to cherish forever. To make the following pronouncements on behalf of President Bola Tinubu. Am I allowed to continue? OON National Honors for Team. OON National Honors for Team, Coach and Technical Team. $100,000 for each player. It's not yet over. There are other good songs. $50,000 for coach and technical team. Each moment. And wait for the final icing on the cake. One flag is for players, coach, and technical team. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is leadership. President Bola Tinubu has shown leadership by recognizing and rewarding our daughters who have excelled on the continental stage. May God bless all. May God bless Nigerian sports. May God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you all.
I celebrate you not only as athletes, but as ambassadors of sports of a great nation. Your victory comes, you agree, baby? Your victory comes at a time when Nigeria is basking in the glory of sporting excellence, following the Super Falcon recent victory. And you see, we haven't really gotten over that. And then this one, but we are so glad we are able to also celebrate you as well. You have given us another reason to believe in the power of Nigerian women to break.
The ceremony, wey shele on Monday, gather plenty top government officials, including Chairman of National Sports Commission, Shehu Diko, Chairman of Senate Committee on Youth and Sport Development, Senator Garba Maidoki, and Chairman of House Committee on Sport, Honorable Kabiru Amadu.
From the football pitch to the basketball court, they have continued to lead from the front, lift our spirits, and raise our national profile with consistent performances and undiluted patriotism. They remind us that when Nigerian women step onto the global stage, they do not just compete, they conquer. Sunday's victory was significant not only for the title itself, but for what it represents. With this latest Nigeria became the first African team to qualify for the 2026 FIFA Women's World Cup. We also extended our astonishing 29-game unbeaten streak in Afrobasket dating back ages, almost 10 years today. A run of excellence that is unmatched in the history of African basketball.
Before now, the Tigers captain, Amy Okonkwo, wey dem also give MVP award for Afro Basketball Women 2025 tournament, thank Presido and First Lady for the support wey dem dey give the young Naija women.
I just want to say on behalf of the Tigers that we are so thankful to be here today. I'm thankful that we get to represent our country. We're thankful to be able to continue our excellence in our sport, the gift that God gave us. It means the world to us to be able to be hosted here today and to be able to represent our country in this way, to bring back another championship, to be able to inspire young women, young girls around the world, that they can one day too be in our shoes. And I give thanks to every one of our staff, DM, coach, Ugo, doctors, SEC, president, chairman, everybody. We thank you all for your support and your continuing support in lifting us higher, because I don't think the sky is our limit. I think we can go beyond and we can break barriers. Thank you.
The recognition wey the Tigers get follow the kind state reception wey President Tinubu host last week for Super Falcons after dem win their 10th Women's African Cup of Nations title for Rabat, Morocco. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.